Hello, how are you doing today? I'm Troy. Today I'm going to show you our factory. Let's go. Welcome to our factory. This is where spare parts and finished products are carefully stored. We follow a strict standard operating procedures which we call SOP to ensure all inbound and outbound materials meet our high quality standards. Our factory is ISO certified, and we adhere to rigorous quality control procedures to guarantee that every product we deliver meets our customers' expectations. Once production is completed, we perform random quality tests on the final products. For example, this machine tests the forklift avoidance systems to ensure it functions effectively under extreme conditions, such as high temperature and humidity. This testing equipment is used to simulate shock environment, ensuring our product perform reliably when installed on forklifts operating in demanding conditions. We believe that innovation and creativity are the keys to maintaining our leading position in the market. That's why we have a dedicated research and development teams of over 10 skilled professionals focused on developing new and cutting-edge products.